Moy! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys, mag-room tour tayo dito sa Forenom, sa shelter to those people na nag-apply na same agency with me, papunta dito. Pag dumating kayo, ito yung magiging room natin. So, hindi ko muna ito-tour yung room ko, it's very messy. So, we can go and very the empty room. So, punta tayo dito guys. So, I just close my room. Ayan. I-close ko yung room ko. Okay, so this is very naka-ano to eh. Tawag dito. Kailangan mo share bago mo open. So we will go to the first one. So makita mo yung rooms dito guys. Ito talaga, they have different numbers. Dito tayo, we can start here. So they have different, we are in the C building. So this one C1, C4, C3, and this one. So they have different numbers, they have people around there also. So me, I'm stay one here in this room. So this one have C5. So, gusto nyo malaman yung sa loob mismo ng rooms. So, welcome to the rooms of Forenom shelter. So, this one guys. Ayan. Makikita niyo yan. This one. Actually, this one is two, ayan. Two bed yan. Ayan, double deck. Maganda yan. May TV kayo. At the same time. And this is the room. Yan lang natin. Kasi hindi mahulog natin yung ayan. So, this is the rooms for person. Actually, mostly, kung gusto magkasama kayong apat with your friends, pwede naman. Kung gusto dalawa lang kayo, it's fine. No problem for that. Depende kasi, actually, this time, marami pang available. So, pag sa rooms naman, meron kayong microwave, and they have a refrigerator. Actually, it's working. Actually, it's freezing. And this one, meron kayo dito mga bed. Ayan. Dito naman sa meron na kayong sariling mga glass, plates, at saka spoons, at saka different here, meron din kayo dyan. So, ayan, pag dumating kayo, meron na kayo mga ganyan. So, I think, hindi na siya, hindi nyo na kailangan magdala kasi padagdag bigat yun sa nyo. Kasi you can use here, and this one, you can use lang, hindi pwede dalhin, of course. So, this one, maganda yung bed nila actually, compare, kasi it's very talaga to guys. Kakaiba tong bed na to. Is maganda. Double deck pero maganda. It's very talaga. Tapos meron ka ditong bed din. So, the same room. This one. Pwede maglagay kayo ng may mga chairs actually. Bilang naayos may mga chairs dito. You can put in that one in the table. Ayan. So, this is the total of the rooms. Ayan. Makita yung rooms. Ayan ha. Ang ganda nyo guys. Ayan. Yan ang room nyo dito. Pag dito kayo sa Forenom. Here in Vantaa, Helsinki. Ayan. So, this is the one. This is for 4 person. Meron dito mga hanger at the same time. Ayan. Tapos, meron din dito mga dito. Ayan. Meron dito mga locker. If you want to put something. And this is the floor. Ayan. May mga carpet din dyan sa ilalim actually. If you want to put all the carpet, it's fine. So, we will go to outside the rooms. So, nakita nyo na yung rooms. At so, hindi ko na siya ilalakay kasi naka-open naman talaga siya. So, we'll just go here. So, dito lang tayo sa inside naman kasi nag-live na ako before that they have outside the accommodation, the shelter. So, this one we have different 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this one is 8 rooms. 8, 9, 10. Ayan. So, kakatukin natin sila, guys. Mag-hi lang kayo dito sa vlog ko. So, dito sila, apat sila sa rooms na to. Ayan. Hi! Okay, ayan. Apat sila dito sila. Kasi di choose, pwede naman sila dalawa actually. But, di choose for, talaga, for, kasi magkasama sila. They're friends together talaga.
Yes.
So, thank you so much, guys, for the story.
Hi!
Aside mo dito pala si, pagkilala ka naman.
Hi, I'm Ligaya.
Hi, ako si baby pa rin.
Janus.
Okay guys, thank you so much guys for talaga. So punta tayo dito sa kitchen. Actually hindi to. So this one is may tao ba? Well, dito lang naman. So this one is for the girls actually. So mostly dito yung maglalaba ka dito. Dito yung dito yung washing even for the boys. You can wash here actually. Pag wala lang tao dito, you can use the washing machine and this one. So, and this is for the toilet of the voice. The voice, this one. So, this one, the kitchen. So, dito kayo maghugas ng anything. And this is the, dito kayo magluluto actually. Yan. So, hindi ko na kayo matour outside. Yan, busy si ate. Oh. Hello. So, this is yung outside. Na-tour ko na kayo that time. So, yan po guys. So, we are now. Well, back to the rooms na tayo. Actually, this one. Yan. Para hindi na kayo, tuturuan ko na lang kayo dito. So, lock mo na lang yan. We'll go. And we are here in the room. So, hindi na ako magtutour dito sa room ko kasi I show you it already in the empty room. So, para makita niyo yung rooms. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching my video. And huwag niyo don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share. And I think panoorin niyo soon yung mga next video ko. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Moi moi. Nadan. Ketus.